As a defense attorney, sometimes I get asked, how can you defend someone that is completely guilty? And if you hypothetically, imagine a scenario where somebody is accused of a really heinous crime, it's an awful crime scene, and they get arrested. How do I, as a human being, have the audacity to represent someone like that? And this is what I would say. Number one, I have literally no idea if they did it or not. I wasn't there. Number two, we keep the system honest. Criminal defense attorneys are essential. I can't stress enough, essential for our government and for our system to work, where the rubber meets the road. In Minnesota, in state court, we have the entire state of Minnesota and all these agents against one human being. One human being. We're literally the only thing that's between them and the government. We're the only thing between them and prosecutors and officers and all kinds of other agents going against that one human being with these accusations. In addition, it only takes probable cause to charge somebody. Think of it as like really low percentage, like really low. But to actually convict somebody, you have to find them guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, which is like a super high percentage. What we do as defense attorneys is we force the government, if we actually know what we're doing, we force the government to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that that person's actually guilty. And we have a system where we'd rather let guilty people free than put an innocent person in prison. That's why we have such an incredibly high standard. And the people that maintain that high standard are really strong, effective criminal defense attorneys. Our system would literally fall apart without strong defense attorneys. Some of the best human beings you meet will be criminal defense attorneys. For whatever reason, this particular profession attracts some of the best people out there, some of the most passionate people out there, some of the most caring people out there that are willing to take off their gloves and go with fisticuffs with the entire government. And it's awesome. And I can't get enough of it. So if you ever think of a criminal defense attorney, please don't think of the shady character that you see on Netflix or something like that. It's some of the most admirable work. It's absolutely essential for our system to survive. And I'll tell you what, knock on wood, this never happens to you, but if you've ever been falsely accused, or if you are ever falsely accused in the future of a crime, especially if you didn't commit it, you better hope that you meet a really good criminal defense attorney that knows what they're doing and that can take on the government. Because when you're on the other side, when you're wearing that orange jumpsuit, when you're handcuffed and you're dragged through the court system, especially for something you didn't do, because it only takes probable cause to arrest you, you're going to see how important a good criminal defense attorney is. So this is attorney Xavier Martine checking out. I'm going to go play golf. Have a great day.